coulombs. Okay? So let's find V3 then. What can we say about V3? What's the potential difference across C3? Yeah, so remember, there is this equation, right? C is Q over V, so V is Q over C. So yeah, so it will be Q3 over C3. That's 24 microcoulombs divided by 3 microfarads, and that's 8 volts, right? For C3. Not that, no. We will find that. V1 and V2 are the same, right? V1 and V2 are the same, but not the Q's. Because the C's are not the same. So that's V3. Let's now find the, oh, yeah. So if V3 is 8, if this one is 8, what would this one be? This is 12. 12, yeah, minus something, minus 8 equals to 0, so it has to be 4, yeah. Or 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So V12 is equal to 4 volts, right? That means V1 is equal to V2, and each of them is 4 volts. Why is that? Well, because they're in parallel. If they're in parallel, they have to have the same voltage. Okay? Okay. And then, so this will enable me to find Q1 and Q2. Because I have V1 and V2, I have C1 and C2, I can find Q1 and Q2. So let's do it. So Q1 will equal to C1, V1, and Q2 will equal to C2, V2. C1 is 5, and V1 is 4 volts, so you get 20 microcoulombs. For this one, C2 is 1 microfarad, 4 volts, so you get 4 microcoulombs. 4 microcoulombs. What do you notice? What's Q1 plus Q2? 24, as it should be. Okay. Q1, 2, they're in parallel. So it should be 24. Last but not least, let's find the total energy. U1 plus U2 plus U3 would be 1/2 C1 E1 squared plus 1/2 C2 E2 squared plus 1/2 C3 E3 squared. So what does it give us? 1/2. What's C1? 5, right? V1 is 4. 1/2. C2 is 1. V2 is 4. And 1/2. C3 is 3. V3 is 8. Squared. And this should give you what? 144. 144, because the charge has capacitance is micro, so it would be microjoules.
Yeah, I mean like see
Microjoules, 144 microjoules. That's the total. And then just to double check, right? 144 microjoules. Let's see if the replacement also holds 144. So let's see, U for 1, 2, 3, the equivalent would be 1/2 C1, 2, 3 times V1, 2, 3 squared, so I get 1/2. What's the equivalent? Equivalent capacitance is 2. What's the equivalent voltage, or what's the voltage across this one? 12. Half of 2 is 1, so 12 squared is 144, but it's micro. Yeah, I think I ran out of time. Pause.